Understanding what your customers need and want is just as important as knowing your brand's features inside and out. A value proposition captures the essence of your brand and how it solves customer problems. In a nutshell, your value proposition is a clear, concise statement that explains why a customer should choose you. It should highlight the benefits that they gain by doing business with you. Essentially, you're telling them how you solve their specific problem. Ideally, your value proposition speaks directly to whatever challenge your customer is facing and positions your company as the ultimate solution. So it brings together this work you've done on identifying your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, your customers' needs and pain points, your customer personas, and translating your features into benefits. Here's a couple of examples of good value propositions. Slack. Made for people, built for productivity. Connect the right people, find anything that you need, and automate the rest. That's Work in Slack, your productivity platform. Or Grammarly. Great writing simplified. Compose bold, clear, mistake-free writing with Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistant. Steve Blank, the founder of the Lean Startup methodology, has a simple formula for value propositions. We help X do Y by doing Z. If you want to go deeper, try the value proposition canvas. Now, the canvas is a cool process that helps you develop your value proposition by understanding the why behind a customer behavior. You've already gathered some of this information in previous modules, so now we'll put it to use. The canvas has two main sections. The customer profile. Now, this section focuses on understanding your target customers' jobs to be done, the goals that they want to achieve, their pains or the challenges that they face, and their gains, what they want or their desired outcomes. On the other side, there's the value map. This section outlines how your product or services alleviate customer pains and create gains. By collecting this information together, you can identify how you're creating value and possibly spot new opportunities to address some of those unmet needs and deliver more value. So using the canvas, start with one of your user personas. Map the customer needs. What are their jobs, pains, and desired gains? Map your value proposition. How do your offerings address their needs and deliver benefits? And then refine the value proposition. Based on what you notice, try crafting a statement that captures your brand's unique value proposition. Let's go through an example with Netflix. We'll step into the shoes of a Netflix customer. So what are the jobs to be done? Well, I want to be entertained, watch TV shows and movies, and I want to relax and unwind. The pains. Well, there's only a few channels on TV without a huge selection. Ads interrupt the shows, which is a pain, and the price for streaming platforms can be high. The gains. What do I want? I want a big library of content to choose from. I want a view on demand, and I want the ability to watch anywhere with no ads. Now let's look at the value map from Netflix's side. The products or services. Well, a streaming service offering a pretty big library of TV shows, documentaries, original content, the pain relievers. A big content library eliminates the limitations of TV. It's on-demand viewing, it's a reasonable priced subscription, and it's ad-free. The game creators. It provides a big variety of entertainment options for relaxation and unwinding. It empowers viewers to watch what they want, when they want, and it fosters a more convenient and affordable entertainment experience. So Netflix's value proposition is unlimited movies, TV shows, and more. Watch anywhere, anytime, on any device, cancel anytime. So, your turn. Have a go at completing your value proposition canvas and crafting a value proposition for your brand. Once you've created your value proposition, test it out with potential customers, colleagues, and be prepared to adjust it based on the feedback that you get. But remember, this is a dynamic statement, so it can evolve over time. As you learn more about your target audience and their needs, make sure to refine your message so it really resonates.